So the very good afternoon to all of you. In the last lecture, we combined the two branches. Uh, so I think I took 2.4 tutorial, which is depend on area and surface area. Now, today I'm going to start our new tutorial, which is circle and the semicircle 2.3. Now, first of all, we discuss their formula, then their examples. So anyone knows about the circle and the semicircle whose area and their circumferences? ચલો કોઈને આઈડિયા છે સર્કલ અને સેમિસર્કલ ના એરિયાસ કયા ફોર્મ્યુલાથી મળે છે અને તેના circumference. Anyone know about these two figures and their two formula? So they look the student. What happened here? This is your circle. There's something basic thing on your screen. The red point, it's called the center. Center to constant distance from the whole surface is known as a radius. This distance is always constant. And if I take the twice of radius, I got this diameter. Remember these two definitions. What is a radius? It is just a constant distance from center to surface. And everywhere that constant distance will be equal. And the diameter is the twice of radius. આ ફિગરમાં શું છે સર્કલ શું છે સેન્ટર થી તમે કોઈ સરફેસ ઉપર જાઓ અને ફિક્સ ડિસ્ટન્સ ઉપર એક રાઉન્ડ લગાવો તો સેન્ટર થી સરફેસ વચ્ચેનું જે કોન્સ્ટન્ટ ડિસ્ટન્સ હશે એને કહેશું રેડિયસ અને રેડિયસ નું ડબલ કરો તો તમને જે મળે એ છે ડાયામીટર. આ બે ફિગર્સ ની આ બે વસ્તુ ખાસ યાદ રાખજો. Then area, that's mean the circle which occupies some space whose range is known as a area. And the circumference, that's mean if you start with any point on the circle and again reach that point using the circular motion, then you got the circumference. So you all students, please remember this two definition. Circumference is just start with any point on the circle and again reach there. This path is known as circumference. And inside the circle, this space is known as a area because the circle is divided in three parts. First of all, inside the circle, outside the circle, on the circle. And all things we discuss in the 9th standard. So not we going on deep. સર્કલ ત્રણ પાર્ટમાં ડિવાઈડ કરવામાં આવે છે એક તો સર્કલની બહારની સાઈડ સર્કલની અંદરની બાજુ અને સર્કલ ઉપરના પોઈન્ટ્સ. સર્કમફરન્સ એટલે કે પરિઘ. પરિઘ એટલે કે તમે કોઈ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર સર્કલ ઉપર ઉભા હશો અને ફરી એ પોઈન્ટ ઉપર એક ચક્કર લગાવીને પહોંચો તો એને આપણે કહેશું એનો પરિઘ. અને એરિયા એટલે કે સર્કલની અંદરનો ભાગ જેટલો રોકાયેલો છે એ રેન્જને આપણે કહેશું એનો એરિયા. So look their definition, look their formula. The perimeter and the circumference both are same for the circle. The relation between the diameter and radius is The diameter, that's mean it's a double of radius. Remember this thing, t is equal to diameter is always twice of radius. And r is radius. ખાસ યાદ રાખવાનું છે આ રિલેશન diameter અને radius વચ્ચેનું. The formula of the circumference is 2 pi r. If I'm putting the value of d in place of 2r, so I got the new value which is depend on the diameter, and this is just pi d. Remember these two formula when you have a radius, if you have a diameter. The second formula for the area, that is pi r square, and the value of phi. By default, you can take the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7. Or it's a 3.14 approximate. What are the examples? If you not give the any value of pi, so by default, you can take the value of pi is a 22 by 7. Otherwise, they indicate the some value of phi. So you put that. Now I'm starting some example, which is depend on their area and the circumference of the circle. So hope you remember these two formula. Now, the next thing is, remember these two words, the perimeter and the circumference both are equal. So they are asking to sometime so remember these two things. The circumference and the perimeter of the circle both are similar quantities. So sometimes they're asking you find the perimeter and circumference both are equal. So don't misunderstood. Now, remember these two formula. The first of all, this is the center, radius, and all things are you have. Now tell me something about the semicircles. If I cut the given circle, I got the semicircle. So what is the formula of area of semicircle and their circumference? મેં તમને એરિયાનો સર્કલના એરિયાના ફોર્મ્યુલા બતાવી દીધા કે ભાઈ આ બે ફોર્મ્યુલા છે પેરીમીટર ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના અને એરિયાસ ફાઇન્ડ કરવાના સર્કલ માટે. Now what about the semicircle? Could you derive the formula of semicircle by this formula? Anyone? Semicircle area શું થશે? If I cut this circle by the center, then what happened? Its given circle is converted into the semicircle. તો ચલો આપણે એટલા જેટલા પ્રેઝન્ટ છે એમાંથી કેટલાને આવડશે એરિયા ઓફ સેમિસર્કલ?
Ma'am, pi r square by 2.
Yes, that's very good. If I cut this area, I got these things. This is the full circle. If I'm cut this part, and this part is remaining. So the area of this part is a half of circle. So this part is indicate the area of semicircle. So she is absolutely right. The area is just a half of circle, and area of circle is a pi r square. If I'm taking the divide by 2, I got the area of semicircle. Now tell me about the circumference. What is the circumference of the semicircle?
Ma'am, r into bracket pi plus 2.
Okay, very good. Okay, આ ટોપિક થઈ ગયો છે તમારા લોકોને?
Yes, ma'am.
Is the tutorial also completed?
No, ma'am, 2.3 બાકી છે.
Okay, theory lecture come. That this is absolutely right. Area is just a divide by 2, but not every time the perimeter, that's when you can take the divide by 2. No, no. The perimeter of the semicircle are the different from this circle. Now look at their formula also. Area that is only divided by 2. And the R is indicate the radius. So area of the semicircle, it's a pi r square by 2. It's easy to remember, but the perimeter, that's mean if I'm start from here and moving from on this surface and reach again this point, say B, but my M to reach here A. So this thing is also line segment I want to pass it. And this distance is known as the D. So A to A, the total distance is up to pi r half because it is half of circumference. So half of circumference plus D, and D is a diameter. So look here the formula. થિયરીમાં થઈ ગયું છે તો બહુ ડીપમાં નહીં જવું પડે તો તમને ફોર્મ્યુલા બધાને યાદ જ હશે. So this is the formula of semicircle. If I cut it, I got the surface area. But perimeter from M to M, I got this formula, and remember please. So now we start some examples. Semicircle represent a half of circumference plus D. This is the shortcut. Now the first question on your screen, I'm doing 1, 2 and 3 for your exercise. The first question says circumference and the area of the circle when you have a radius. So this is your radius R. By default, you can take the value of pi. If not given, it's a 22 by 7 in every examples. So first of all, you have given R is 5 centimeter, 5 meter. I'm finding using the circle, the circumference of the circle. Look here, the student, the circumference word in short, I'm writing C. Okay. So C is equal to, it's a 2 pi r. Put the all thing in the given equation. 2 as it is. It's a 22 by 7 into 5. Multiply and divide by 7. It's a 13 point something. So C is equal to 31.42 meter. Now the area. Area's formula for the circle is a pi r square. Just divide by, put their value 22 by 7. And R means 5 into 5. It's a 2 times. Multiply and divide by 7. It is 78.57 meter into meter. It's meter square. So student, this is the answer. Okay. Tell me the second number question only. વધારે નથી આપણે ગણવા. You just try your second number and tell me the answer.
Ma'am,
Yes.
circumference answer 3234 આવે છે સેન્ટીમીટર.
કેટલાનો?
સેકન્ડ નો
સેકન્ડ, રાઈટ.
circumference
સરકમફરન્સ C is equal
3234
3234
અને
centimeter.
એરિયા 346.5 સેન્ટીમીટર સ્ક્વેર.
34625.
મેમ 0.5
Okay, 0.5.
346.5 સેન્ટીમીટર.
Could you repeat
0.6.5
again? One second.
346.56
Okay.
सेंटीमीटर. नो मैम 5 नहीं 6. 5 के बाद कुछ भी नहीं है.
Okay, 5 की बात कर दी. Okay, 346.
सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
Okay, done. It's centimeter square. Very good. So just don't take only one example, not more. It's a very easy. It's just a use of formula. कि फॉर्मूला कैसे यूज करते हैं उसके लिए क्वेश्चन है. So now we moving on the next one. The second question on your screen is, first of all, look here. You have a area of this circle. It's a 616 centimeters square. And find the circumference. So now here you have a area, and by using the formula of area you can find the circumference, and you all know the circumference, that is 2 pi r. For that I need the r, that's mean radius. So using the formula of circle of area, circle's areas, I'm making a r as a subject and put the value of in circumference. So these are the procedures to do. Now ચલો કઈ રીતે કરશું, અહીંયા આપણે circumference find કરવાનો કીધું છે, પણ circumference નું ફોર્મ્યુલા છે C is equal to 2 pi r. I need, for that I'm find r. So look here, you have an area. What is given to you? It's area, and area of circle is 616 centimeter square. So first of all, put the formula of area. And my aim to find a C. C, that's mean 2 pi r. For that I need r, and I have an area. Formula of the area is a pi r square. It's a 616 centimeter square. Look here, this pi is divided by 616 centimeter. Pi, that's mean 22 by 7. It's a 616. Pi is a 22 and divide by 7. This 7 I can put here. Denominator is moving on numerators. Now divide by this given term. The 616 multiply by 7 and divide by 22. It's a 196. So r square is equal to 196. The square is converted into the square root. I got the r. Take the square root of 196. It's a 14. So r is 14. Square is converted into square root. So r is equal to 40 centimeter. It's not required to write every time their units. In end of equation, you can also simplify and put their unit. Now, let me find the surface area, sorry, circumference. So C is equal to 2 pi r. Put all value to, it's a 22 by 7 and r is 14. Look here, student, 7 into, it's cut. 22 into 4, it's 88, but in centimeter. Hope you understood. First of all, I find 14. First of all, I need the radius. So by using the formula of area, I make the subject as r and get the value of r and put in the circumference formula. So hope you're clear. It's a really easy and simple example. Oh, very good. Very good, Lulu and Divya. All of you. Madina. And all remaining students who take parts in the class. Very good. Now moving on to the next one. Could you try it? All the students try it. I have a circumference. And using the circumference, I can find the area. So what happened here? I have a circumference is a 132 centimeter. And my aim to find is area. That is pi r square. I again need the pi. So using the formula of circumference that is 2 pi r. It's the 132 centimeter. So look here, it's a 2 to 2 cut. If I'm cut this 2, 132 divided by 2, it's a 66 centimeter. R is a subject and 66 divided by pi. Put the value of pi. It's a 22 into 7. Cut it. It's 3. It's a 21 centimeter. So your radius is 21 centimeter. Put the formula in r square. Area is equal to pi r square. It's a 22 by 7. 21 2 times. 7 to 3 cancel. It's a 66 into 21. Take the multiplication. This is the 1386 centimeters square. This is your area. So by the any quantity, you are able to find anything. So first of all, if you have an area, you are able to find the circumference, and you have a circumference, you are able to find the area, because in both equation we need the radius. So the look student, next question for your practice. Tell me the answer. Okay, I repeated. Okay. Look here. Student, in the question number 31, you have a circumference and asked to find the areas. Equation of the area is pi r square. So get the area, you are need to radius. Using the formula of circumference, I'm finding the radius. Cut the two both sides. If I cut this 2 in the both side, I have a 66. So pi is a 66. Pi is going on the denominator. Value of pi is 22 by 7. And radius is 21 centimeter. And put the radius in the area's formula. You got the area is 1386 centimeters square. Now tell me, anyone have any question about this question? Lulu, you too? Okay. Anyone if have any query, please ask me. Now look here. Solve this question. Solve. You have a circumference. First of all, you can make a subject R and put the value of R in the following equation of areas. So what is the circumference? This is the 52 and their radius is what and area is what? So these are the final answer. Hope you got. Now student, let me moving on the next example, which is on the screen. It's a very easy. Just repeat of the next question. Very good. Who have the answer? Next one is, look here. A racetrack is in the form of ring whose inner surface is, whose inner circumference is a 220 meter and the outer surface is 308 meter. Find the width. Okay, you just find the width of track. You have a two track, race track, like a first track is this is your first track and it's your second track. The inner circumference is given. If I'm suppose the inner radius is R1 and outer radius is R2. This radius is R2. We just supposed inner is smaller and outer is bigger than the radius of inner. They are asking to find, you just take this thing. You can find this track width, this width. So let me find it. This width depend on their radius. If I remove the R2 minus I1, R1, I got this total width. આ ક્વેશ્ચનમાં શું કીધું છે, ઇનર અને આઉટર બંનેનું સર્કમ્ફરન્સ આપેલું છે. મેં ઇનરના રેડિયસને R1 કહી દીધું છે અને આઉટર જે મોટું સર્કલ છે એની રેડિયસને R2 કહી દીધું છે. હવે અંદરનો ભાગ R1 છે અને ટોટલ ભાગ R2 છે. તમારે આટલો પાર્ટ જોઈતો હોય તો હું R2 માંથી R1 ને રિમૂવ કરીશ. So I need R1 and R2 and I'm supposing R1 is a smaller circle's radius and R2 is a bigger radius of given circles. So we have the circumference of the both circle. Let me start with the inner circumference. So what happened here? The inner circumference is it's a 220 meter. You just put the formula of the inner circumference. Circumference, that is 2 pi r. But inner, whose inner radius is R1. It's a 220 meter. First of all, cut this 2 and 2. It is a 110. So pi r1 is equal to 110 meter. Kindly find the value of R1. R1 is equal to 110 divided by pi. It's a 22/7. It's 11 to 2 cut. So this is the 10 into 7/2. Again 2 cut. This is the 5 and 5 into 7. 35 meter. So your smaller track whose radius is R1 and this is 35 meter. Similarly, you calculate the outer using the outer surface circumference and got a very good. So I got the inner circumference radius. Now the second circle whose circumference is given, it's a 308 meter. So let me find the second value of R2. So outer surface circumference is 308 meter. Here the outer side circle's radius is R2. So put the formula, it's a 2 pi r. Here r is denoted by the R2. It's a 308 meter. Cut the two both sides. It is pi r2. If I cut the 2, it's a 154 meter. Value of pi is 22 by 7. R2 is equal to 154. It's a 22 by 7 meter. 154 divided by 2. It's a 7. And 7 into 7. It's a 49 meter. So your radius is R2 is 49 meter. So look student, I got the two radius R1 and R2. R1 indicate the inner part and R2 indicate the outer part. So let me find the width of the track. Width, that means I have this part and this is the 35 and this whole part is 49. I got just only this part. This is the width of track. So simply width of track is just R2 minus R1. આપણે પહોળાઈ જોઈએ છે તે ટ્રેક તમારી પાસે એક લેન્થ આટલી છે એક આટલી છે તો આમાંથી આટલી બાદ કરો તો તમને આ પોઈન્ટ મળી જશે. So width of track it's just R2 minus R1. Always you can subtract the bigger quantity to the small quantity because the width is always positive. R2 is 49 meter and R1 is 35 meter. Subtract each other. Right, very good. Width of the track is a 14 meter. So this is your answer. So look here, it's a very beautiful example which you have. First of all, using the formula of the circumference, you can find the radius, both inner and outer radius. And the subtraction, it's give to you the width of track. Hope you clear? Outer and inner surface circumference को use કરીને બંનેની radius મેળવો અને big radius માંથી smaller radius remove કરશો તો તમને track ની પહોળાઈ મળી જશે કે રેસિન track ની પહોળાઈ કેટલી છે. So let me moving on the next one. Hope you clear. If you have any query, call me. Sorry, tell me. The second question which is on your screen, the ratio of area of two wheels is 25:49. Here you have a area ratio of areas and then find the ratio of radii. So the one thing is given and you are easy to find the radii of the radius ratio. So what is given you have? Here the areas ratio, that's when you have a two wheels whose areas are given, but in the ratios form. So first wheel's area is denoted by A1, second area is denoted by A2. Okay. So the first wheel's area is A1, second area is A2, and it is given to you 25:49. And you all know the ratio is also written in the fraction form. So you have given areas ratio, that's mean A1 gem A2 is equal to 25 gem 49. Convert into fraction form. That is A1 by A2. That is the 25/49. You all know the formula of the area is the pi r square. It's the A1, so your area is become pi r1 square. If you have a A2, that's mean your area become pi r2 square. Radius also different. This is denoted by the A1 and A2. So the first area is denoted by A1 whose radius is pi r1 square. Second areas is pi r2 square. And right hand side is 25/49. The common term will be cancelled. Pi is cancelled upper and down. Remaining term is r1 square and r2 square. It's 25/49. Both quantity have a square. Give the whole square. So this is the r1 upon r2 whole square is equal to 25/49. Square is converted into the square root. It's r1 upon r2 convert into the square root. So 25/49. The square root of the 25 is 5 and 49 is 7. So the ratio of the ratio of the radii is a 5/7. In the ratio form, it is written like a r1 gem r2 is equal to 5 gem 7. So what we can do? We have areas ratio, and using the formula of area, you are able to find the ratio of radii. Just to convert the square into the square root. Hope you clear? Have any doubt about this question? So tell me. Please write down. Okay, the next question on your screen is the question is the diameter of the wheel of a motorcycle is 63 centimeter. And how many revolutions it takes to travel 99 kilometers? We just change in question. I'm finding here the 99 meter, and you can find the 99 kilometer. Okay. હું અહીંયા 99 મીટર રિવોલ્યુશન માટે તમને ગણાવીશ. તમારે 99 કિલોમીટર માટેનો રિલેશન ફાઇન્ડ કરવાનો છે. And you know about the relation between the meter, centimeter and kilometer. If you don't, so tell me. Now, અહીંયા ક્વેશ્ચનમાં આપેલું છે કે 99 મીટર ટ્રાવેલિંગ કરવું છે by the motorcycle, અને wheels જે છે એનું ડાયામીટર છે 63 સેન્ટીમીટર. તો આટલા મીટર્સ या આટલા કિલોમીટર્સ ની અંદર એને કેટલા ચક્કર લગાવવા પડે? So you all know the one revolution, that's mean the one circumference of the circle. So first of all we can find the circumference, then we decide the how many revolution he needs, yes she needs to travel this total distance. So let me find. Look here student, this is your circle and this is your motorcycle. This is your motorcycle speed. Okay, and this side motorcycle is moving on this circle. The diameter of this motorcycle is, this is the diameter, and it is given to you 63 centimeter. And we know one revolution, that is circumference of the wheel. So first of all you can find the circumference of the wheel. Okay, let me find. This wheel is moving from here and travel the total 199 kilometer. So first of all you can find the circumference of the wheel. So using the diameter and the relation of the radius, you are easy to find the circumference. Here diameter is given, d is equal to 63 centimeter. So the radius is just divide by 2. It's a d by 2. It's a 63 by 2. If it's 63 by 2, it is 31.5 centimeter. Circum, that means one revolution. That is circumference. Of wheel. તો wheel એક ચક્કર ની અંદર એક વખત ફરશે તો કેટલું ડિસ્ટન્સ કવર કરશે એ જોઈએ. We can find here the distance when we moving on the one revolution. So this is the formula to find the revolution. It's a 2 pi r. 2 as it is. Pi is a 22 by 7 and your r is 31.5. So multiply and divide. Your one revolution said 198 a centimeter, because so in one revolution you cover the 198 centimeter distance, but we want to find that we want to cover this 99 kilometer distance. So the student, you must convert the centimeter into the kilometer, yeah, kilometer into the centimeter. Which is easy, you can put it. So first of all, I'm convert the 99 kilometer into the centimeters. તો એ શું કરીશું 99 કિલોમીટર ને સેન્ટીમીટર માં કન્વર્ટ કરીશ. We know the relation 1 meter is equal to, no, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. I convert the kilometer into the centimeter. So what happened? Do you know? Look here. We know the 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Okay, and meter 1 meter is equal to what? 100 centimeter. Okay. Put the meter quantities. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. So meter is converted into the centimeter. 100 meter, that's mean 100 into 100 centimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to, remember it's a very important thing. How many zeros? 5 times zeros. Centimeter. શું કરીએ છે ક્વેશ્ચન ની અંદર? કિલોમીટર અને મીટર વચ્ચેનું રિલેશન જોઈ લઈએ છે. તો કિલોમીટર અને મીટર વચ્ચેનું રિલેશન છે. મીટર અને સેન્ટીમીટર નો પણ રિલેશન છે. આપણે કિલોમીટર ને સેન્ટીમીટર માં કન્વર્ટ કરવા છે. 1 કિલોમીટર બરાબર 1000 મીટર. તો મીટર 1 મીટર બરાબર 100 સેન્ટીમીટર તો છે જ. મીટર ની જગ્યાએ 100 સેન્ટીમીટર લખો. બાકીની ક્વોન્ટિટી એમને એમ. 1 કિલોમીટર બરાબર આટલા સેન્ટીમીટર. Okay. This is your centimeter. Now I want to cover the 99 kilometer distance. Okay. So the 99 kilometer, that's mean how many meters? Is equal to, if multiply this is 99, 5 times 0 centimeter. One revolution gives to you 198 centimeter distance covered by the one revolution. I want to cover the 99 kilometer, that's mean 5 times 0 centimeters distance. So how many revolution I need? Just take the cross multiplication, total revolution to cover the 99 kilometer distance. It is just convert into the, multiply this thing and divide by the 199 centimeter. This is the 99, 5 times 0 centimeter divided by 198. a centimeter. Centimeter to centimeter is cut. One 98 divided by 99. This is the 99 divided by 199 is 2, and it is a 1 5 times 0 by 2. It's give you 5,000. No, 50,000. So complete the 99 kilometer, you take 50,000 revolution. 99 કિલોમીટર કવર કરવા માટે તમારે બાઇસિકલ થ્રુ મોટરસાયકલ થ્રુ આટલા ચક્કર લગાવવા પડે. 50,000. ઓકે, કિલોમીટરમાં છે ને, અને આપણો વ્હીલ બહુ નાનો છે, એટલા જ માટે ને કે તમે લોકો 4 wheel થી જાઓ, 2 wheel થી જાઓ, there is a difference between the distance. કે vehicle length પણ distance cover કરવામાં different હોય છે. So the student, this is the question. So first of all, we can find using the diameter, we can get radius. We know the one revolution, that's means the circumference. And the circumference of the motorcycle is 197 centimeter in one revolution. Our bike is just cover the 198 centimeter in the one revolution. But my aim to find the 99 kilometer traveling. So how many revolution I got? I got a 50,000 revolution to cover the 99 kilometer distance. So you just remember the relation between these quantities. Hope you clear? Any question? Okay. So the student, now moving on the next one. The second quantity is very easy. Look here. Next question on your screen. So find the area and circumference of semicircle. So first question, it's mine. Second is your. Here the area and the semicircles areas. Area of semicircle. Radius is given, r is equal to 5 centimeter. First of all, find the area. Area of the semicircle. Just look here, the semicircle. It's a half of circle. Pi r square by 2. Put their value. 1 by 2. It's a 22 by 7 and the 5 square. Cut and divide. It's 11. So 11 into 50, 25. Which is divided by 7. So your area is 39.28 centimeters square. Now the student, you must remember the circumference. It's just not a half of circle circumference. Circumference is a, this formula, it's pi plus 2r. Remember it. Don't forget. Pi is 22 by 7. R is plus 2. And R is 5. Take the cross multiplication. This 7 is divided by here. Multiply here. So the 22 plus 14 by 7 into 5. It's a 22 plus 14. It's a 36. So 36 into 5 by 7. So your circumference is 25 point something. It's a 25.71 centimeter. So this is your answer. Remember the following quantity. Don't forget, don't misunderstanding. You just find the circumference and the area of semicircle. Area is easy to find, just divide by 2 of the area of circle, but the circumference. That's mean this is your semicircle. I'm here. It's A to B. This is the half of semicircle. That this is 2 pi by 2. And this distance is the diameter. It's a twice of r. It's a 2 to cancel. This is the pi r plus 2r. The r is common. These are the formula. Okay. Don't forget this line. Don't forget it. This line segment represents perimeter. What that the circumference is known as a perimeter. So hope you clear. The second question in your homework, you must try it. The next one on your screen is, yes, tell me this question. You can find area and circumference. Tell me the area and circumference. This question by the figure. What is the area of it and what is the circumference of it? Here, radius is given 7 centimeter. Center to total distance is denoted by r and r is 7 centimeter. So formula of the pi r square by 2. It's 1 by 2. Pi is 22 by 7. R is a 7 square. Okay. Very good. 308 and 50 centimeter. Okay, good. Here, the 2 to cut, it's 11. 1 times 7 also cut. So it's 11 into 7. This is 77 centimeter square. Circumference, that is pi plus 2r. Pi is 22 by 7. And r is 7. Don't cut directly. First of all, you take the cross multiplication. Now it's divided by 7 to 7 cut. So this is your answer. 36 meter. So this is the circumference and the areas when you have a figure. So by the figure and by the word, you remember it. Okay. Right? Absolutely right. Now, next question which is on screen. Children, now you have a diameter and you can find the areas. So D is given 14 centimeter. We know the relation between D and R. R is equal to just D by 2. That's mean 14 by 2. It's a 7 centimeter. So it's a really easy. Area is just we get before the example. It's a pi r square by 2. Put their value. So 22 by 7 and into 2. So 1 by 2. 22 by 7. R it's 7 centimeter. 7 to 7 cut. It's 11. It's 77 centimeters square. So these are the answers. Here don't need to find the circumference because they are not asking. So they don't ask anything, so don't put anything more in examples. Hope you clear? Any student have any problem related to such a question? So this is the answer. Okay, student. So we stopped here because we completed our tutorial number the 2.3 circle and semicircle all examples. This is the last example of today's tutorial. So let me stop here. Now ready for the attendance. All the students be ready. Just unmute yourself and give your attendance. So all the students please submit yourself and ready for the present. Number 1. Number
Present, ma'am.
okay. Number 2. Now you are go and do your work. Number 2. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 7. 8.
Madam,
Nine.
network issue છે.
કયા
Madam,
નંબર ને? હા.
8, number 8.
Okay, number 8.
मैडम
Yes.
फोन ने नेटवर्क इश्यू है
4 ને net issue છે. Okay. 9 number. 10 number.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 11.
એને madam network issue છે.
આખી chemical
Ma'am,
branch
9.
Yes. 9 done. Okay, done. લોલું આખા chemical branch ને issue લાગે છે network issue હા already ઓછા છો ને એમાં network issue
હા
કરો છો.
madam, મારે જોઈન નથી થતું. માંડ જોઈન છે હું તો આમાં.
Okay. Now the 12 number.
प्रेजेंट मैडम
Okay. 13.
प्रेजेंट
14. Okay, 13 done. 14 number.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. 15. 16. 17. 17 number Ajay.
Ma'am.
Okay. બોલો.
Ma'am, 16 ને network issue છે.
16 ને network issue છે ને 17 ને બોલવું નથી. 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22.
Present, ma'am. 22.
Okay. Anyone is
Ma'am,
remaining?
Madam, number 20, bus code.
20. Okay, Pascal. Done.
Ma'am, 30 number.
Okay, madam.
Yeah,
13.
pass 13. 13 done.
Okay, ma'am.
13 done. 20 done. Now, have any problem related to mic and network? You can put your attendance in chat box. Okay, I will take that. Have a good day.
મેમ લાસ્ટ
Yeah.
લેક્ચર ની ફ્રાઈડે ની નોટ્સ છે તમે અપલોડ નથી કરી ગૂગલ ક્લાસરૂમમાં
નથી કરી તો ચલો આજ કરી દઈશ હો.
ઓકે મેમ